Hello guys, welcome to KV School Education. Today I am going to explain the chapter number 4 of class 5. The chapter name is A Big Surprise. So, what is the meaning of surprise? The meaning of surprise is unexpected event. Unexpected event. It means a sudden event which happens. So, a big surprise. We don't know about this a big surprise. After going into the lesson, we'll come to know what is a surprise. So this is a story. So let us start. A Lalita, a 10 years old girl, sowed some tomato seeds in the middle of the kitchen garden. So here the story about the 10 years old girl. What is her name? Her name is Lalita. The age of the Lalita is 10 years. So what she did, she sowed some tomato seeds in the middle of the kitchen garden. So what she did, in the kitchen garden, she sowed some tomato seeds. The seeds grew into little plants after a few days. Obviously, what happens after sowing some seeds, after watering it, what happens? It grows into some plant. Then she pulled every weed and never allowed an insect or a worm near her pet plants. So what happened? She never even letted the insect to cover over the plant. So obviously what happens when the plants will grow, the insects will sit up on it and the weeds will grow. What is the meaning of weeds? The wild plants which will grow unnecessarily. So what she did is she never allowed to happen that. And worms near her pet plants. So these are the pet plants. What are the pet plants which she sowed tomato seeds? These are the pet plants. So what she did, she never allowed the worms. So we'll see the earthworms which will live in the soil. So she never allowed to come over her pet plant. When the days were hot, she poured water to the plant at night also. So when the days were hot, it means that during the summer season, what she did, she poured extra amount of water because the temperature will be high and the water will be not sufficient for the plant. So what she did, she put some extra amount of water to the plant during the night time also. She planted flowers all over her plot to make it beautiful. So after planting the tomato plant, what she did to look more attractive, to look more beautiful, what she did, she planted some beautiful flower plants to look more attractive. The leaves were green and the tiny green tomatoes began to grow. So what is the meaning of tiny? Small. It is important. Small. So what she did, the flowers also grew and blossomed. So what is the meaning of blossomed? It became more attractive and the essence was very beautiful. And the plants were beautiful one. And the leaves were green and tiny. Okay, already we have discussed this. Lalita and her sister Kavita. So here one more character entered in the story, that is Kavita. So who is the Kavita? Sister of Lalita. She is a sister of Lalita who is 14 years old. What is the age of Lalita? She is 10 years old. And what is the age of Kavita? She is 14 years old. Water the plant daily. So already they have created a garden and they used to water the plants daily. So next, a very beautiful large tomato grew into the plant. A very beautiful large tomato grew into the plant. Next paper. One day Lalita's brother said, I am going to take my chickens to the district exhibition. I know they will win the first prize. So here one more character. First Lalita, then Kavita. Who is the Kavita? The sister of Lalita. And next one more character, that is Lalita's brother. One more character, he is the third character, Lalita's brother. And what he said, I am going to take my chickens to the district exhibition. So what he is doing? He is taking his chickens. What is the meaning of chickens? Baby hen. So baby is going to do, he is going to take the chickens to the district exhibition. You know what is the meaning of exhibition? Then I know they will win the first prize. So what is expecting from the chickens? They will win the first prize in the district exhibition. So Lalita at once thought of her large tomato and ran to her sister and said, Kavita, do people take some tomatoes to the exhibition? She asked. So Lalita got the question over there. What she got the question? That do people take the tomatoes? What she had only a tomato to take to the exhibition. She thought to take the tomato to the exhibition, and she ran away to ask her sister Kavita that the people are going to take the tomatoes to the exhibition or not. So who Kavita replied that of course they do. There is also a prize for the best and biggest one grown around here. So what Kavita had replied, she said that yes, of course there is a prize for the best and biggest one grown around here. So she replied positively. Yes, they used to take the tomatoes, and they will also award the prize for the biggest and best one. Then why don't you take your big tomatoes? What Kavita said? So let us take. Why don't you take the tomato to the exhibition? Oh, could I? Lalita jumped and clapped. So Lalita got excited that she'll take to the exhibition, and she will exhibit all her tomato to all the people who came in the exhibition. So she jumped and clapped. She was very excited to take her tomato to the exhibition. Why not? So Kavita said, father says it is the finest tomato he has ever seen. So whose father? Kavita's and Lalita's father said that he given positively replied that oh, it was the finest, means it was a good one. The tomato was good, that was ever seen over anywhere. So you can take it to the exhibition. His father also replied that you can take it to the exhibition. Don't tell anyone. When judges announce the first prize to Miss Lalita, they will be surprised. So his father said that don't tell to anyone that we are going to take the tomato to the exhibition. When the judge will announce the first prize, it means they are confirmed that they are going to get the prize because the tomato was very excellent. So when the judges will announce the first prize to Miss Lalita, they will be surprised. So all the people should be they are thinking to hide the tomato from all the people. Then when the judges will announce the first prize, the people will be get surprised. So they decided to do such things. Okay, said Lalita. Kavita wrote a card that read tomato raised by the Lalita aged 10. So what Kavita did? She written that on the card. She written the tomato raised by Lalita. So whose tomato was it? Lalita's tomato. So she was 10 years old. Means she written that the pro forma she written that. I hope they won't think the tomato is 10 years old. Lalita laughed. So they are kidding upon it. So when we will carry it in a pretty basket, Kavita said. So what Kavita is preparing to do? She is preparing that she should carry the tomato in a beautiful basket. As the tomato is very big and very finest, so she is trying to carry the tomato in a basket. And then later, when they went to the garden to pick the tomato, they were shocked. So as they prepared to take a basket, and they went to the garden. Kitchen garden. They had the kitchen garden, and they went to over there to see the tomato and to take it to the exhibition. But they were shocked. Why they were shocked, we'll see. So here some questions are given. You can observe here. Here some questions are given. You can see this. Why was Lalita happy? Why was Lalita happy that she is going to exhibition and she will exhibit her tomato and she is expecting the prize from the judges? Yes. Then what happened in the garden? What happened in the garden? Even we too don't know what happened in next para will come to know. But they were shocked by seeing that. Why were Kavita and her sisters shocked? We will next see in the next para. Then we'll answer those questions. The large beautiful tomato was missing. Why they were shocked? The large and beautiful tomato was missing. Already they are expecting much from the tomato and the tomato was missing. Then what they will do? Let us see. Oh, someone has stolen my big beautiful tomato, cried Lalita. Lalita was very excited by the tomato that she will take to exhibition and she will exhibit the tomato over in the exhibition. But what happened here? Here the beautiful tomato was missing and she started crying. Kavita and Lalita were not happy because because obviously the tomato was missing. Lalita was weeping. Weeping, what is the meaning of weeping? Weeping. Weeping, crying. Meaning of the weeping is crying. So they both started weeping because they were very excited by the tomato, but they started weeping. They saw a pets and vegetables in the display. So they went to the exhibition. They saw the pets, vegetables. Many of them they saw in the display. Already they'll exhibit all the items over there, and they'll tell their specialties. So they saw and they were very emotional about that. They could not believe their eyes. Among other tomatoes was Lalita's big beauty. Look, Kavita, that's my tomato. She said with joy. So after seeing all those pets and vegetables, they don't believe their eyes, but they saw the Lalita's tomato. The girls found place near their parents. So where they found near their parents, the judges began to award prize. So what happened here? The tomato was found beside of their parents. So who was carrying the tomato? Their parents were carrying the tomato. So the judges began to award prizes. Coming to tomato, a judge picked Lalita's tomato and said, This big beauty wins the first prize. I was raised by Miss Lalita, age 10. Will Miss Lalita step forward? So what happened here? The tomato was with the Lalita's and Kavita's parents. They were very excited and they became very happy by seeing this tomato. And what happened? The judges saw the tomatoes, the vegetables and the paste. After that, the judges announced the prize to the Lalita's tomato, and they said that the big and beauty wins the first prize. So what the Kavita written in the card? Tomato raised by Lalita, age 10. So what the judges replied? This big tomato wins, this big beauty wins the first prize. It was raised by Miss Lalita, age 10. Will Miss Lalita step forward? Means they are calling the Lalita towards the stage, and they are honoring the Lalita. There were claps as Lalita received her blue ribbon. She said thank you. So all were clapping for the Lalita as she cared her tomato, and she had watered it, and she has taken very care of the tomato, and it became the very finest, and it became the very large tomato, and there is no tomato like Lalita's tomato. So she received a blue ribbon. Sorry, she received a blue ribbon. It means it is an honor. It is a prize. So she said thank you. After receiving the gift will tell them that thank you, because we have received something from them. We have received some prize. We received some honor from them. So as Lalita also did same, she said thank you. Then she came to her father and said, Father, how did my tomato get here? And then she was shocked and she went to her parents. Her father, and she said that, Father, how did my tomato get here? She was shocked. How this tomato went to my father. Then I bought it. I wanted to surprise you. He laughed. So his father replied that, I bought it here. I wanted to surprise you. Means she was tensed at that time when tomato was missing. But his father said that he wanted to surprise him. So he brought it to the exhibition and he laughed. The judge said, can anyone suggest a name of this big beautiful tomato? So judge asked, already she has received the blue ribbon, and the judge asked her some question that can you suggest a big name? Big name not. A big beautiful tomato. So the judge want to know a name for a big beautiful tomato. So Lalita spoke up. What Lalita said? A big surprise. So what is the surprise in this lesson? The surprise is a big tomato, a big beautiful tomato. So Lalita spoke the big surprise. The name of the tomato is the big surprise. So all the family members laughed heartily. So all the family members laughed heartily. Means they were very happy to achievement. So this is the story of the Lalita, a big surprise. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and like the video. Thank you.